You are all here to see the pumpkin tree? I mean, you do know what a pumpkin tree is, don't you? Why, this is a pumpkin tree. It's a very special kind of tree, you see. It blooms on only one night of the year, on Halloween. Deep within its dark gnarled branches, all the remnant spirits of Halloween memories are past. Look at all the beautiful pumpkins, but look closely. Pumpkins on this tree are not mere pumpkins. Each has a face sliced in it. Each nose a weird nose. Each one smiles in some new way. Just a little bit different. Dozens of smiles, double that in pairs of fresh cut eyes, and all from your imagination. But isn't quite yet finished. Needs one more thing. We need to wake it up. The best way to do that is to tell a ghost story. And my favorite is the legend of Sleepy Hollow. One cold October night, a certain Dutchman named Ichabod Crane was heading toward his home in the hollow nearby. His path led next to the old Sleepy Hollow cemetery, where a headless Hessian soldier was buried. At midnight, Ichabod came within sight of the graveyard. It was a dark night. No moon. The only light came from his lantern. Dutchman was nervous about passing the graveyard, remembering rumors of a galloping ghost he had heard. He stumbled along, whistling to himself to keep up his courage. Suddenly, a mysterious light caught the eye of Ichabod rising from the ground in the cemetery. He stopped, his heart pounding in fear. Suddenly, a great white mist burst forth from an unmarked grave, forming a large horse carrying a headless rider. Ichabod let out a terrible scream as the horse leapt toward him at full gallop. He took to his heels, running as fast as he could, making for the wreck, since he knew that ghosts and evil spirits did not care to cross running water. He stopped to see the headless horseman who threw a great flaming pumpkin towards him. Ichabod was never seen again. The headless horseman continues to roam the roads near Tarrytown on dark nights from that day to this. Lucky for us, the horseman can swim. Or can he? No, that wasn't too scary, was it? Just enough to get the heart pumping. But now that we have the perfect spooky atmosphere, I say, now's the time to wake up the pumpkin tree. Don't be afraid. Let's all pour out to it together and see what happens. Are you ready? Tree, the biggest we've ever seen. Wake up! Wake up and talk to us. It's time for Halloween! Wake up! Wake up! Everyone, say along with me now. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Look! You've done it!
Greetings, my fresh faces and innocent eyes. You are all here for fun and surprise. Look at all of you. What a wonderful sight. But don't be scared. I want smiles, not fright. So rise up your voices. Let me hear a loud scream, for that is what is needed. I sense your foreboding, your sense of dread. Give me a laugh to rattle the dead.
Everyone laugh!
The Halloween spirits are close. This I can feel. Scream trick or treat, and let's finish the deal.
Everyone scream trick or treat!
Something wicked this way comes. Here tonight for all to hear the truest sound of ghoulish cheer. Witches' laughter and ghoulish growls. Zombies, monsters on the prowl. Bring the power of nightmares unseen. Bring them to life. It's Halloween!
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkin scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat. Till the next one has light. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Everyone hail to the pumpkin sun!
Happy Halloween!
Now, I must be going, dear friends. There are lots more to tend to, but I do want to leave you with one final thought. This pumpkin tree is here because of you and your imagination. So, the next time you're feeling scared of ghosts,